the Letscom ST-BE32 True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will be looking at the Letscom ST-BE32 wireless earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide a microphone sample, and give my thoughts. This was sent out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, you get your standard user guide, micro USB cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The BE32 features 4.5 hours of listening time, 27 hours with the case. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge the case. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, button controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The case has a small design and you can see the branding on the top. The lid is clear with a black tint to it, and the bottom portion of the case has a rubbery feel that provides a nice grip. On the front, you have the charge status LED indicator. And on the back is the micro USB port for charging. The lid closes nicely and it clicks into place on the front lip. And the earbuds are held into place by magnets. And you can also see the ear indicators that are marked inside. These earbuds have a glossy black finish to it, and it has a nice ergonomic shape. On the outside, the button control is rubber. Each of the earbuds have a microphone, button control, LED light, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And this is how they look side by side. As mentioned, these utilize button controls, and the user guide details on how to navigate the playback and call controls. It's pretty straightforward. The case comes in at 2.9 by 1.7 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 34 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 8 grams. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Letscom ST-BE32 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone was decent and callers had no issues hearing me. You can use the earbuds in mono if you prefer, so right or left side individually. Watching videos on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. I didn't experience any disconnects, and pairing the earbuds was instantaneous. So here are my thoughts on the Letscom ST-BE32 earbuds. Sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The earbuds are really comfortable and I like the overall shape of it. It just slides into your ears with no twisting required. I would have preferred touch controls as I'm not a fan of buttons when it comes to earbuds. It just tends to push them further into your ears and it makes them uncomfortable. It did stay into place while running. Build and quality is good and it falls in line with the earbuds that I have tested in this price range. Simple, compact case, and the earbuds have a minimal, sleek design to them. I would have preferred touch controls as mentioned and USB-C for charging. Now, when it comes to sound, it was surprisingly good. The bass was on point, It produced some nice punchy sounds. It's not too overwhelming, but just enough. Mids and highs were also good. It comes in pretty clean and clear. The sounds were balanced overall, and vocals and instruments do stand out. It never got distorted, and you can turn it up at a high volume level. I tested with various music genres, and it was pleasant all around. So this is another choice for those that are seeking budget earbuds. It has a good battery life, small design, and a good IP rating. This can be used for workouts or casual daily listening. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.